Hi, I just rebooted. I'm back on the Linux kernel. Everything's up to date. Uptime 1 minute, right? Super F7. I still have this ArcoLinux XS. SPD is already in there, so yes, now we can see what we have created. What abomination we have created. New life, right? Do feel like Frankenstein now. The doctor, of course, not the monster. Obviously. What will we get? What will we get? Simple desktop display manager is there. I have a cursor. Plasma is loading up. I hope, right? We've chosen Calamares Plasma. It would be different if we chosen Calamares DWM. So we got ourselves something new that is now in the video. So it's a prelude, I suppose. It's yeah, it's there if you build it now, right? It's the date. That's the date. You have it if you build it, but you'll have it in the mid-September if you download it. So we have a beginner installation and an advanced installation. What I'm of course what I want to know is the console H, the cache. It contains our Arco DWM, it contains Arco SL status, it contains Arco ST. So this is looking good. Now, as a teaser then, beginner installation is because with all the freedom we've given, there's a lot of choices to be made and people make all the wrong choices. So they end up in Telegram and Discord asking all kind of questions. And now we're able to say, if you're really a beginner, we say, look, start with the beginner installation. See if that works for you. Not many decisions to take, just the normal regular things like Belgian keyboard, erasing the disk, don't do anything here, just keep as is, voila, everything, just one thing. That's our rule or our advice, 1 OS per SSD per hard disk. Next, install, and even a nice prompt for the beginner installation. Are you sure? And then you say install now. Okay? So that's the beginner look, and the advanced installation is the one we've been having the last several releases. But we want to provide a less complicated look for Calamares for people to say, oh my god, what's all this? This is where we'll tell you to do this. Now we're gonna do this as well because it doesn't matter, right? Otherwise I would have taken the other one and then next without adding anything to it, because what you see is what you get. Remember that. You saw already Plasma, but you saw also that there is DWM in my files here. It's there. You cannot uninstall it. No, it's there already. Right? Anything you see here in the menu, it's gonna be on your future system. Unless, right, you become a Calamares expert, but that's it. So what you see is what you get. That's the rule. Fine. Install now. Let's pause the video here and wait for the all done. All right, it's finished. Done. Let's reboot, not from the ISO, but from the hard disk. And what do we have? We got ourselves a Plasma. Yes, we're not surprised there. What you see is what you get. So there it is. And we could log out. And then we wait for DWM. Voila. I don't want to see this anymore, so Control C is gone. Yeah, we'll have the icon from Plasma. That's a bit strange because that's the icon from Plasma. But hey, Control Shift Enter. This is DWM. Control Alt F. Firefox is installed. Super Q. I'm gonna kill Firefox. Super Q, Super Q. We've got ourselves a combo. A DWM and a Plasma at the same time. And that's fun, right? That can be your thing. If this is your combination of working, fine. So let's go back to Plasma. And maybe I'll make a third video just for the user on Discord saying, hey, there were some issues combining these two together. So let's theme and tweak in the next video Plasma, and then go to DWM, tweak that, and maybe go back, and we'll see.